Light workers, love workers, this is a message from my higher self to your higher self. The message is that you are here to set an example. That's why you come here. You are here to experience the lowest lows and bring yourself up to upside down to the highest of highs on your own, to show that it's possible. You're here to show them it's possible. Anything is possible. It's a difficult thing to live between two worlds, the world of spirit and the world of the physical. But we come from the spirit to pull the physical up through this funnel, chaos, and to show them that no matter how dark and deep it might get, and to show yourself, no matter how dark and deep and desperate you could feel, you could always pull yourself back up. And it starts with you and the feeling that you feel within. You'll know when you're in the right space. You'll know when you're in the allowing things to just happen. One by one, you make things happen. You start to make changes. You start to grow. You start to live your life how you're meant to live it. And it just kind of happens. Rather than pushing or pulling or worrying about what's gonna happen, you just allow it to happen moment by moment, step by step, like these little geese, just flowing. You can be the highest version of yourself, no matter what the outer world might look like around you. No matter how they might perceive you, you know you. Be confident in you. Like this duck pulling the rest of his buddies out of the water, they follow him. He's the leader. Be the leader. Stand tall and proud, like Mr. Goose.